Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got this little, these things, whatever they're called. This for your phone. So I'm going to show you guys. Is this on my phone? This. Tell me what this is, because I forgot what this is, guys. Makes your camera real big.
Adam has to get ready to go to school.
So.
Not till Wednesday. Me and you are going. Me and you go our first day together.
That is it. And this is the cover for this. There. That's the cover. So you guys send me a comment what these are. What these are, okay guys? Let me read it. Dad, don't cover my camera. Do my lens. What are these? Guys, I'm going to put them back in the bag. Put them right back in this bag. Because I don't want to mess the lens up. Because, you know, they can get scratched. Just saying. Well, guys, I'm going to end it right here. Subscribe. Leave a like. And don't forget to comment what this is. Peace.